Business Analyst. A business analyst, BA, is someone who analyzes an organization or business domain, real or hypothetical, and documents its business or processes or systems, assessing the business model or its integration with technology. Business analyst helps in guiding businesses in improving processes, products, services and software through data analysis. The role of a systems analyst can also be defined as a bridge between the business problems and the technology solutions. Here business problems can be anything about business systems, for example the model, process, or method. The technology solutions can be the use of technology architecture, tools, or software applications. System analysts are required to analyze, transform and ultimately resolve the business problems with the help of technology. Areas of business analysis. There are at least 4 types of business analysis. The business analyst, sometimes, is someone who is a part of the business operation and works with information technology to improve the quality of the services being delivered, sometimes assisting in integration and testing of new solutions. Business analysts act as a liaison between management and technical developers. The BA may also support the development of training material, participates in the implementation, and provides post-implementation support. This may involve the development of project plans, data flow diagrams, and flow charts. The BA records requirements in some form of requirements management tool, whether a simple spreadsheet or a complex application. Within the system's development life cycle, the business analyst typically performs a liaison function between the business side of an enterprise and the providers of IT services. Industries. BAs work in different industries such as finance, banking, insurance, telecoms, utilities, software services, government and so on. Due to working on projects at a fairly high level of abstraction, BAs can switch between any and all industries. The business domain subject areas BAs may work in include workflow, billing, mediation, provisioning, reporting and customer relationship management. The telecom industry has mapped these functional areas in their telecommunications operational map, ETM, model, banking in the information framework, IFW, and emergency agencies in the prevention preparation response and recovery model, PPRR. Finally, business analysts do not have a predefined and fixed role, as they can take part in operations scaling, sales planning, strategy devising, developmental process or be part of an agile software development product team.